was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. Can't touch the bottom, sit into a tumble, waves that shake me out of my skin. Never been so easy, losing my direction. My bearings have me south of home, but I've been wrong before. I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water feels like a friend I've not seen in years, so familiar and strange at once, like a lover who lost her touch. At first I was hesitant, now it seems oh so curious. How'd I wind up so far from home, when I barely had left the shore? And I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, and I was dreaming of a love I love.
Bandit 1200s. Just took the wheel off so my mate can go and change the tyre. 24mm socket. Obviously you need your two different size spanners for your nut adjustment, just to slacken the chain a little bit. But yeah, come off pretty well. What's annoying about these bikes is this little nut going through there, getting the wheel off. I had to wiggle it around really just to get it around that, but I was going to take that off because I don't want to risk scratching his alloy when you try and take it off, but Ben was happy to just pull that to the side a little bit. But if you look this side, you can see that nut can get in the way just when you're trying to pull the wheel off, but as long as you're careful you should be okay. Just check the condition of the pads while we're here. Not too bad. And what is bad though is this chain. That chain there, minging. So he's going to have to get on that with a toothbrush. There we go. Bandit 1200. Let's pop the wheel back on shortly.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when I feel it today. But when it's cold in the dead of winter, remember that snow melts away. One more cold drink, one more roll, still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink, one more road, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. One more cold drink, one more road, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. Let's get happy before we get old. No more whiskey, I'll have a Coke. Catching bass on an old fishing boat. One more story from Grandpa Joe. Let's get